Setting is a volleyball skill where a player uses their fingertips to push the ball upward to a teammate, usually to prepare for a spike or attack. Setting is like giving a perfect, controlled pass so your teammate can hit the ball easily. Why setting is important? It sets up the attack spike. It helps control the flow of the game. It makes it easier for your team to score. How it's done? Hands are placed above the forehead. Fingers form a triangle shape. Ball is touched with fingertips, not palm, then gently pushed upward. Think of it like this: the setter is the one who prepares the ball. The spiker is the one who finishes the play. Basic technique. Number 1, move under the ball. Number 2, rest your hands above your forehead. Number 3, form a triangle shape with your fingers. Number 4, use your fingertips, not palm. Number 5, push the ball upward smoothly. Example, think of setting like in basketball. The setter is like the player who gives a perfect pass for a teammate to shoot. A good set should be high, accurate, easy to hit.